Namaste. My name is Shailaja. I come from North Goa. I heard about this place, Anandkunj, and what interested me was that I could get rid of my diabetes without medicines. And I've been here for 10 days and the experience has been fantastic. They educate you on how to look at oneself and what is one's life, and the practical ways of going about it. And I think this is a very good experience to understand oneself as well as to understand how one can go and be one with nature. Thank you.